Hey everyone, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to create these gorgeous neon ombre nails, perfect for summer, and I will be using some of the polishes from Salon Perfect, the really fun bright neon pop polishes, and they're available at Walmart for $3.98, so they're super cheap and readily available. So let's get right into it. The first step is of course applying your base coat. And then since I'm going to be doing a gradient and they can be very messy, I'm using this amazing liquid latex peel off cleanup stuff from Born Pretty store. I will leave the link below. Then on a makeup sponge, I'm going to be applying some neon orange, a peachy coral shade, and then a darker pinky fuchsia shade for the gradient, and then I'm just dabbing that on my nail, and I'm going to do the first layer and then wait for it to dry a little bit and then reapply the colors on the sponge and re-dab it onto my nail to create the perfect gradient. Then with a pair of tweezers you can remove your liquid latex, and then if there is some extra bits of polish that you need to clean up, you can just take a cleanup brush, but the liquid latex really gets the majority of the mess and it's honestly a lifesaver. And then I'm applying a layer of fast drying top coat to smooth the gradient and blend it nicely together. And then I decided I did want this gradient to be matte, so I'm then applying my matte top coat. And then I thought that the whole design needed just a little bit more detail, so I'm taking a really thin nail art brush, again from Born Pretty store, taking some gold polish and just making a vertical line straight down the middle of my nail. And I am obsessed with how these turned out. I really hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Really fun, quick and easy nails for summer. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next one. Bye.